Hi again, it is Tuesday and you have the power within you to make this day terrific, just like you have the power within you to radiate beauty with how you care for your body. Self-care involves nutrition and fitness that is nourishing instead of punishing to your body, and it focuses on body positivity instead of negativity. So with nutrition, instead of focusing on cutting out, turn to what you can put in. Change your I need to cut out blank to I will do more of blank. With fitness, engage in physical activity that you actually enjoy for your health instead of something that's torturous because you want your body to look a certain way. So take care of your body for vitality, vibrancy, and vivaciousness, and simply because you love it. These are all things that will light you up within to radiate beauty outwards.